Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we study essay on unity. There are many names of this essay. Some common names are mentioned on your screen. Unity in Muslim world, importance of unity, national unity. Now I start the essay. The word unity is derived from the word unit, which means one. Unity is one of the essential components of a strong nation. The Muslim need unity. It is very important for the Muslims to have unity among them. Muslims need to work together with loyalty, patriotism, and spirit of hard work so that they can make their economy strong. Unity can save the Muslim from enemy attacks. A single person can be easily distracted or attacked, but a large group of people are hard to overcome. In the same way, Muslims must stay together with love. They should avoid minor dispute and quarrels so that they will be strong and no other nation will be able to attack or overcome them. In past, Muslims were superior due to unity and understanding, but now they have split apart due to which other nations are overtaking them. Unity has much significance, and if Muslims unite again, work together and ignore minor disagreement, they can again in their position. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If this video can help you, so kindly like, comment, share and subscribe.